Hello guys, so today we are doing a mukbang. So today we have Subway. As you see, we have a classic bag of hot Cheetos. And then we have a sandwich. So oh, by the way, Cheetos is not sponsoring us yet. Yeah, by us, I mean her.
Yeah.
And then so you guys, I got the best sandwich combo ever.
Oh my god.
It is juicy, delicious.
Subway's
All right,
not
y'all.
sponsoring us too.
Yes, so nothing's sponsoring us yet currently.
We'd have to ask them, and we'd have to get paid for that. So
Oh, right.
probably never gonna happen.
So before we start eating, I just want to ask everybody if they could please like and subscribe. Wait, real quick, I need to do the thumbnail shot. All right. So, and then wait, thumbnail shot. All right. Ooh, fudge. All right, let's take a big bite.
That must be good.
Bootylicious.
Oh no, I'm not uploading this to YouTube, man.
Then we got the Cheetos.
ASMR. Remember when you did that ASMR?
Pretty good.
Duck face. Thank you.
Damn, you suck.
Yeah, I'm not uploading.
Alright, guys, be right back.
Okay. Hello. He's getting something to drink. I don't know.
Alrighty. Now we're back on the road. We got a beautiful looking Coke,
Don't show the brand,
iced Coke. They are not sponsoring us.
man. You can't even show the brand.
Do not demonetize us. I swear to God, I'll beat you up. I'm just playing. Alright. Now. So,
You're gonna get me loose.
I hope your guys has day been good.
The food's good.
Talk about
What?
talk while I'm eating.
Okay. I think the food's good. Alright, it is. Best thing ever, probably.
Look at my camera.
We are not actually driving, just to let you know. We're just sitting in the car.
Because if we were, that would be pretty crazy.
Yeah, we're just like, you're 9, right?
10.
Alright. He's 10 and I'm 7 and I'm in the driver's seat. He's in the passenger seat. My dad.
By the way, she's lying. She's actually 9.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's 9 and I'm 10.
We're just very best
Yeah.
friends.
Kinda.
You want to turn off some Netflix so then this isn't boring?
You can.
Okay. Bye bye. I'll be back.
This food is bussin'. Dang, guys, this Subway is good. Mm. Just in case if you guys get hungry, grab yourself a snack. Mm. So, recently, this channel, this is not my channel. I'm just in a couple videos. Sometimes, I'll be in future videos. That's for sure. You guys probably like me more than Sean. Yeah. Uh-huh. This is good.
12 years ago, a nine-tailed fox suddenly appeared. Its tails lash out, smashing
Down more. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down.
We don't want this to get copyright claimed.
Pretty bussin'. Speaking of bussin', you guys should go to bussinsnacks.com.
Is that even a thing?
Alright. Yep.
No tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 7-minute video.
Longer.
Hashtag eat hot Cheetos.
You guys don't know what you're missing out on. You really don't. Oh, by the way, my channel is Anthony's Greatest Videos. Go check that out now.
Yeah, we'll put the link to his channel in the comments.
And every chance on your order for Subway, you'll get 5% off if you use promo code the Chad and Blue Boo. All right.
Does that mean I have to pay?
Okay.
All right.
All right. Shut up. Hello.
I did it.
My birthday. All right. Sip of Coca-Cola.
Remember not to show the brand, okay? Oh my God. Oh, heck no.
Okay. Why'd you turn Naruto on?
Because I like Naruto.
Bro. Oh, guys. One day we are going to do a hot Cheetos and Takis challenge on here.
That is a future.
Yeah, future video. Sure.
We will do it at least when I'm 8. Because I do like
Bro.
spicy stuff now.
Age. Yeah.
I mean, sorry, not 8.
When she's 10.
Yes, 10. So sorry. I'm taller than
She's taller than a second grader.
Yeah, and he's like the tallest one in his second grade class. It's pretty.
Yeah. I'm the tallest one in my 5th grade class.
Yeah.
What?
You turn the car on. Yes, we are not driving. I don't want to show my face in this video today. It's like red as heck. Sunburn gets to my face.
Yeah, guys. This food is so good.
Go to Subway. The 5% off thing might not be true. I don't know.
Yeah, it is. 5% off using promo code The Chad and Blue Bunny.
Blue Bunny?
Mm-hmm. I mean Blue Boo.
Okay. Do I have to pay for the 5%?
No.
Okay. What are you doing to my channel? Okay, this is not going to be a 1 hour video, so we have to hurry up with this.
It's 11 minutes.
I know.
Alright, guys.
A 1 hour video is like this boring.
Now, we are going to end the video here. We have to end it short because,
Yeah, you know.
we have to end it short because we have technical difficulties and we have to, I have football practice and baseball practice. so-
Smash the like button.
Wait, and always remember to smash the like button and
Smash
like
the,
and subscribe. Please.
smash the subscribe button.
All right,
Please.
she needs the subscribers, guys. All right. You'll be in a few. I'll be in another more future videos sometime, I bet. So, bye, guys.
Peace out.
No, Charlotte, I do it. All right, guys. Peace.